I would like to first call on Senator Jack Reed, Senior Senator of Rhode Island. The Senator is a West Point graduate and has a JD from Harvard University. He spent several years on active duty as an Army Ranger and a paratrooper. Jack Reed is a strong advocate of preventive health care. He has worked to increase Medicare funding and working towards helping the uninsured. This includes helping discharged veterans to receive the Medicare that they deserve. Senator Reed.
Thank you very much, Harry. Thank you. Thank you very much. Well, thank you, Harry, for your kind words and also for your great leadership. And I want to recognize my colleagues, particularly my old friend Howard Cobble from North Carolina. Howard, always good to see you. And I'm here really on behalf of the physicians, the nurses, the pharmacists, the healthcare professionals of Rhode Island who have done a remarkable job. But there are two individuals here that deserve particular praise and recognition. That's Laura Adams and Jeannie Chiller. Their efforts have really translated an idea into a reality for Rhode Island with e-prescriptions. And I also want to recognize Dr. Blumenthal. He has the daunting task of making sure that nationally you try to do as well as Rhode Island. And I think you can. We are doing pretty well. We're one of the highest ranking states in e-prescriptions. Nearly 50% of all physicians use some form of e-prescribing. 98% of our community pharmacies in the state accept electronic prescriptions. Those are very good numbers. We'll do better. And then nationally, when Dr. Blumenthal is finished, we'll all be e-prescribing. And that will be very, very helpful to not only health care, but to the financing of health care throughout the United States. One person in particular deserves an extraordinary amount of praise as someone who foresaw this and works very hard, and that's my colleague, Senator Sheldon Whitehouse. Sheldon was critical for the Rhode Island Quality Institute. He was there when these ideas were more academic than actual, and he made them actual and real in the lives of Rhode Island. And he's continued that effort here in the United States Senate. He was appointed to the Health, Education, Labor, and Pensions Committee deliberately for the consideration of the health care reform last year. And one of his major efforts was ensuring that electronic records, electronic prescriptions, modern technology be applied to the healthcare system. And without his contribution, the healthcare reform bill and the tools that Dr. Blumenthal has to work with would not be so robust. So I just want to recognize him. And in fact, I see him. It's hard. He's very tall. It's hard not to. But at this point, I would like to recognize my friend and my colleague, Senator Sheldon Whitehouse, the real hero in this effort. Sheldon.